Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you that if you're seeing the blue screen of death or any other blue screen error on Windows 10 or 11, here's how to fix it. First, you'll need to restart your computer and access the recovery screen. While your computer is turning off and before it starts up again, hold down one of the keys F8, F9, F10, or Shift. Different computers use different keys, so try each one until you see the recovery options screen. Once you're on that screen, choose Troubleshoot. Then go to Advanced Options and click on Startup Repair. Select your account, enter your password if you have one, and click Next. Windows will now run a diagnostic and attempt to repair your computer automatically. For most people, this step alone fixes the problem. If it doesn't, don't worry, you still have another option. Go back to the Advanced Options menu and this time select System Restore. If you already have a restore point created on your computer, select it, click Next, and follow the instructions. This will roll your system back to a point before the error happened, which usually solves the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. For more tech tips, subscribe the channel and press the notification button as well. Thanks for watching.